Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making Huli Huli chicken or pineapple chicken. The first thing I'm going to do is add a quarter of a cup of light brown sugar. And the recipe I have calls for a quarter cup of ketchup. I didn't have any ketchup, so I'm just going to use barbecue sauce. You can use either one. And a quarter cup of soy sauce. A quarter cup of pineapple juice that came from the can of pineapples. I'm going to use the pineapples for this recipe also. And then I have a half a tablespoon of ginger paste and a half a tablespoon of minced garlic. If you don't have ginger paste, you could use ground ginger or fresh ginger. And 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then I have a quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of cumin. And I'm just going to whisk that all together until everything is well combined. Once that's well combined, I'm just going to pour half of this into a baggie. You could do it in a bowl if you wanted to. You want to save half of the sauce. And I have 4 chicken thighs. Just going to put those in. You do want to wash your chicken thighs and dry them as much as you can. Seal this up. Get all the air out. And you want to just mix these until they are all coated. And then I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. If you can do it overnight, it's even better. Okay, my chicken's been marinating for about 5 hours. Just going to take it out, put it on a baking dish. And I'm going to cook these. I'm going to put them upside down, skin side down. I'm going to cook these in a 400-degree oven. I'm going to start for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them and cook them until they reach at least 165 degrees. It's been 10 minutes, and I'm just going to flip these and put them back in the oven until they reach 165 degrees, probably another 10 to 15 minutes. While I'm waiting for my chicken to finish cooking, I'm going to add the rest of the sauce into a pan. And I'm going to let that come up to a simmer. What I want to do is get this a little thicker. While that's coming up to a simmer, I'm just going to add 4 pineapple slices. And I just want these to brown up a little bit. I'll let these cook for about 5 minutes on each side. Okay, they cooked for about another 15 minutes and they're up to temperature. Just going to remove them, put them on a serving dish. And then I'm going to take a pineapple and put it on the top. And then take some of this sauce and just drizzle it over the top. This is super easy to make. You can double this recipe or triple it if you need to. I hope you give it a try. Please consider subscribing to our channel and share with your family and friends who you think might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll join me on the next one.